Hi guys, how you all doing? I hope everyone are doing fine. This is Ravi Kiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today also I'm back with another review, that is a Aprilia SR160. So in this video I'm going to tell you what are the main features, its on-road price, ride review. So each and everything will be covered in a single video. And this video is also available in Telugu. So those who want to see the video in Telugu, you can watch that video as well. So I'll leave the video link in icon so you can watch that video. So this is actually for the people who doesn't know Telugu. So I'm making this video for those people. So without getting late, let's get started. This is the all new Aprilia SR160 BS6 version. There are three models in this, that is a standard, a carbon edition as well as race edition. So the difference between those three are the color and the graphics. So let's talk about with the main engine specifications. Basically this has 160cc engine which produces 11.1 PS power at 11.6 Newton meters of torque. And let me show you the front design. The front design hasn't changed anything from its previous model. They continued the same, but the emission norms has been changed from BS4 to BS6. There is no that much of significant difference between BS4 and BS6. And if you can see the front design, you got the same bulb turn signals with halogen headlamp. So they haven't given any LED headlamp for this. Let's talk about the front suspension. On the front section you got telescopic suspension in the front which gives you good ride feel, and this scooter also has 14-inch alloy wheels, which is very good because each and every scooter that comes with a 12-inch wheel, but they have provided 14-inch wheel which gives you good riding stability, and this also offers you anti-lock braking system as standard. This is a 160cc segment. Each and every vehicle in its 160cc or above 150cc gets ABS as standard, and Aprilia also continued the ABS system with this scooter, which is actually a good touch for this. Let's talk about the side design. The side design remains the same as with the previous model. There are little amount of graphic changes as well as seat design. There are two-layer seat design, regular exhaust, side mounted rear monoshock shock absorber, BS6 variant, 3-valve technology. All know each and every BS6 vehicle comes with a fuel injection, and the same goes with this Aprilia SR160. And the vehicle is driven by belt system. So the belt is placed inside this motor. And let's talk about the fuel tank capacity. The fuel tank capacity is 6 liters and 1.2 liters is the reserve for this. So basically you have to maintain little amount of fuel for this, because as this has fuel injection technology, we have to maintain little amount of fuel. And this is a fuel knob which is actually small. They could have provided a big nozzle. So this will be a little problem when you take the vehicle to the petrol bunk. And underseat storage is also not very large. A small helmet can fit, like a half-face helmet only can fit in this. And now let me show you the instrumentation cluster. So this is how the instrumentation cluster is, very minimalistic. Speedometer, odometer, trip A, trip B, like trip 1 and trip 2, and time. That's it. There is no more information on this. And on the corner right side you can see the fuel indicator. On the top you get engine malfunction light, low fuel indicator, ABS light. And on the right side you get engine start button. On the left side pass switch, high beam, low beam, indicators, horn. And that's it about the main features of Aprilia SR160. And the weight of this scooter is 118 kgs, which is actually light for this 160cc segment. Now let's see the ride impressions. Let's take this bike for a short ride and see the power, suspension, brakes. So let's get started. Note, the speedometer and odometer, the both are disconnected as this is a factory demo vehicle, so they have removed that. But I will be sharing my experience with you. Let me give you a quick drag. Wow, we can feel that instant amount of power when you open the throttle. And when I compare this SR160 with SXR160, the power on this vehicle is actually good. The power is actually kicking in when I open the throttle. But the power on SXR160 is very linear. But this SR160 has that amount of power that you require when you want to push the vehicle. You get that power instantly. I think I will be doing at a speed of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. And the riding stability is very great. And the suspension quality is also good. Wow man, the power is actually good. This is very easy to flicker on the traffic as well. And as I said, this bike has only 118 kilos of weight. This can actually give you a good amount of riding feel when you ride, and in the city traffic conditions you can do very well. And let's slam the brakes. And the front braking bite is good. Braking bite on the front wheel is very good than the rear, because rear you get only drum brake system. On the front you got single channel ABS. As you know, now the ABS connection is disconnected, but still I can feel that good amount of braking power. I think you can feel the power when I open the throttle by listening to its engine sound. Let's brake it. Let's take around the corner. And cornering stability is also nice. Coming to the mileage can be expected somewhere around 35 to 40 kilometers in between. So the normal average customer feedback is 35 kilometers per liter. So if you ride the vehicle very smooth, then you can expect some more miles. So this is about the mileage figures. And now let's talk about the pricing. This bike is priced at rupees 1,27,000 on road Hyderabad, and this price will be changed depending upon your current location. So if you want to know the exact price details, you have to contact the local dealership near to you. And if you want to know the price details, I'll leave the showroom details below. You can contact them and they will let you know the exact price details. So this is all about the quick review of Aprilia SR160 BS6 model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and a little amount of support is also needed from your side. And if you have any doubts regarding this vehicle or any other two-wheeler or four-wheeler, you can contact me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasuri, so you can message me on that. And keep following me. This is Ravikiran, filing off.